Hi, what's going on? It's JP. Now, this is a quick video for anyone who uses the Boss RC-600 loop station. On my website, I have a course for the RC-600, which has over 55 videos that are not on YouTube. We go from the very beginning to some really advanced setups, and I'm going to be actually dropping even more videos in the coming months. If you're stuck between the user guide and the parameter guide, then that's where I come in. I can get you up and running super fast, and this course is normally £197. However, there's a coupon code which will give you 20% off, but it's going to go at the end of April. That code is the word PLAYSTOP. Put PLAYSTOP in and it drops from £197 to £157.60. This is all in British pounds and it's a lifetime course, so grab it now. So as I add more stuff, you're not going to get charged any more because you've bought the course, you're already in. There's a link in the description box which will take you directly to the course. Put the word PLAYSTOP in the checkout, and once you're in, I'll see you inside.